Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of spare tire and jack kit in 2025 Nissan Rogue. This is gonna apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 and all the way up to 2026. So your spare tire and jack kit is located in the trunk compartment. To access your spare tire, you will have to lift this cover. You can lift it up, leave it there, and right there you see your spare tire. And inside you will have this tool for tire removal. To remove tire itself, you will have to unscrew this plastic nut. So turn it counterclockwise, and now you can pull your tire out. And to access your jack kit, you will have to look on your left hand side and find this cover. To open up this cover, you need a push down on this black tab, the top one and the bottom one, and simply remove this cover. Now inside you have your jack. Now this jack might be stuck. See, basically you can just pull it out, but if yours is stuck like mine, what you need to do, you wanna see the top of the jack and slightly turn it counterclockwise. Turn it a few times and now it's gonna become loose and you can simply pull it out. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.